to appeal. Yeah.
The 47 county commissioners received the shocking news of the court order declaring their jobs as null and void yesterday while undergoing training on their new roles at the Kenya Institute of Administration in Nairobi. But immediately after receiving the heartbreaking news, the office of the president ordered them to stay put. Acting Permanent Secretary Mutea Iringo said the courts had misinterpreted the constitution and that the Attorney General, Professor Githu Muigai, would be filing an appeal on Monday.
So you're in the right place.
He told them to go back to their workstations and continue discharging their duties.
We cannot afford to go back to review the constitution within no time. Just because of an individual not understanding what is supposed to do, isn't it? I want your understanding there.
The commissioners had been attending a workshop on their role in the county governments as the representatives of the national government. Iringo told them that the government expects a fair judgment after the appeal, declaring the appointment of the 47 county commissioners by President Mwai Kibaki as unconstitutional. Justice Mumbi Ngugi ruled that the president had ignored the principle of gender parity. She also ruled that the president went against the spirit of the National Accord and Reconciliation Act, which requires consultations with the Prime Minister before public appointments are made. Acting Head of Public Service Francis Kimemia said the government had directed Attorney General Professor Githu Muigai to urgently appeal against the ruling as there were enough grounds to set the order aside. When contacted for comment, Muigai said in the exercise of his constitutional and legal responsibilities, he acts independently in compliance with the Constitution. He said he does not take instructions from any other body or authority. The AG said he will study any decision of any court and will give independent and impartial advice to the government. The office of the president insists that public participation was not necessary in the appointment of the county commissioners as they had been appointed just like any other officers sent to counties by various ministries. Alex Chamwada, Citizen Weekend.